Hello everyone, I am Devendra Mato welcoming you for visiting my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna try to say something about that how to minimize the depression level for yourself. As into the 20s of the time, many people who was coming from the Gen Z generation who was very much depressed in his life. What was the reason? That because of the reason that they couldn't remember himself that who we are or who we find. The main reason of the depression was to first of all, the first thing that uh, becoming to be a overthinking. First of all, we have to note the definition that what is depression or what is overthinking. The depression is the thought where lots of pressure in our mindset that what could be happen after the time. So that, and overthinking that a small problem that we could make the problem to be bigger in my mindset, in our mindset, so that it become to be smaller issue to become it to a more bigger issue. So that this will be the both difference. And not talking to about the another thing that first of all, why the person or why the teenagers were very much depressed into this time. So the main reason was to becoming to be a very much depressed. The first thing is that the first of all person was watching into the social media platform. Into the coming of social media platform, the person or the people who were watching the videos of influencer who showing his lifestyle as a royal life, and showing them as a very much rich, so that the many of the people or many of the youth get depressed. So that how, why they cannot achieve such a thing, why they cannot achieving lots of the sources or lots of the information, lots of the money. So that the first of all reason is that, and another reason is for the lots of pressure that coming from the study material. So that this will be having a lots of taking depression, because for getting into the good marks in the 10th board, 12th board, or any of the college examination, the pressure coming from the boards examination, parents, and lots of their colleagues. So that the depression level also get increases. And the first of all, depression level start from the beginning of the ninth class, because a student or a boy that who was just arrive into the teenagers, so that he and his parents has to push them that just do all focus upon yourself to becoming to be an IITian. So that into the newborn baby, they pull up themselves to becoming to be an IITian. Into the ninth class, they force them to taking a good marks into the 10th board. So that the grade, the percentage up to the 95% and more than above. So that their parents make themselves as proud from themselves. So that this will be the matter. And after the coming to the 11th, the parents prefer that, so they belonging to the or they prefer to select the subject such as science, if even the student has to be coming to be the interest upon it, or he has no interest upon on this subject, but the parents were forcefully say that you have to do it for yourself, and you have to do it after you have interest or not interest. And that time the parents also force the children, so that to do the coachings, many more coachings in this time, and doing regular test series, regular only study. And the student get depressed onto this time or this cycle, because a person a person going to the hectic schedule of study more than 16 hours get depressed automatically, because he has to not to listen anything, lost not to enjoy any single festival, nothing to do though. So that the depression of the children was very much in this period. So that to overcoming this depression, many children get suicide for themselves, because of this reason, this over they cannot overcoming this depression. So that and after getting to the coaching, the coaching was very much strict toward the children, that they have to learn many more, and learn, read, practice, and many more. And the parents were taking, the parents who was not afford the money, they can get a loan, and then they pull the children to go for an IITian coaching. Then you becoming to be a great IITian and get a placement. So that The first of all reason is that for the depression level of the children were increases by the because of the parents and sometimes also the social media also helping, or social media also taking the credit for the depression level. And now coming to the depression level, what was the solution for it? The solution also say that the single solution or the multiple solution say that but I think the solution that the first of all the parents or the children make a concern about themselves, make a talk into the every time, so that the how they become depressed or why they are depressed in his life or in her life, so that to clarify themselves that what do you need become or what do you want to become. So that for example, a student who want to becoming to be a great poet or great musician, but his parents forcing them to becoming to be a great IITian or great engineer, but he was not able to do much more study in this field or in this topic, so that he was a lot failure in lots of time and wasting his time lots of time. So that this was a very much important thing that that has to be keep in mind that first of all the parents has to force, don't has to be forced. First of all, go to the mind of the children what they want to need, so that after the time they we will get onto the children's demand and or achieving the goal of the children. And another topic is that if many parents say that if we are experience more than the children, if the children was going to this field, then we definitely know that he will goes into the failure, so that we could not try them into goes to this field, so that we know that the money is everything. Because if know that I will give you an example of Honey Singh. Into the podcast of this previous video, he said that I am belonging from the middle class family. My parents wants to teach me to and becoming to be a great engineer, but my interest was upon to be a great musician. I want or I say singing in rap, and I was so much dedicated toward the rapping industry. So that this was happening, and after the time struggling by getting so much pressure from the parents, and and lots of struggling, he get opportunity and get and lots of effort, he get an opportunity and becoming a great musician, and the whole country or and from the out of the country, he they will remember as the parents of a rapper. So that this will the matter or failure, even say that why failure is considered to be a very much low esteem consider, because failure was a initial step where the people or where the children going to becoming to be a great learner. For example, if let's suppose to be a newborn baby who wants to just to learn the walk. First of all, he has to just start upon his leg, and he was get on the floor lots of time and get down on the lots of time, and lots of error in his walking. After the time, then they will reach to the how to walk and how to the walking in front. So that lots of struggle, so that the error in also into the life of the people, the error are also the becoming to be the great personality. Become any person who want to becoming to from a person who was from middle class or from the lower middle class, it doesn't matter. But the person who want to becoming to be a rich in life or becoming to be the fulfill his dream, the first of all thing is to that go from them, the because the life was single, and don't depending upon any of the supposed to be say a thing that if we are depending upon ourselves or depending not upon ourselves, that we are just born for earning money and but just to sorry, just to prepare for the bill and get the salary and prepare the bill and paid the bill, and after the time we enjoy the don't enjoy the life, and we get married and take having babies and lots of the pressure and the life was goes smoothly, though this was not to be sophisticated. The thing is that to becoming to be not rich, as Sandhu Mesri say that the goal of life was not to becoming to be the rich. The goal of life to becoming to be the fulfill your dream. First of all, if any person who was tolerate you, who was forcefully downing yourself, that you becoming to be a worse in your life, you are a person who was not doing anything, you are a villa person, as for example, so that if you saying yourself to be you also villa, then you try to speak yourself or try to explain or try to explore many of the thing, because into the today's generation, today's time was 2020-24, we into the reality. The thing is that first of all, many of the person I from belong from the Jharkhand state, as you know all about myself, that many person who was preparing for government job, and a single person who will not explaining, who will not introduce himself, but to just to learn the basics, such as to completing his book or her book, just to read, learn, and such a thing that was not to be recognized or not to be need into the current generation. So that my thought was that I have to learn many more thing, and taking to the decision that I was going to the digital field, so that I becoming to be a part of the part of this life. So that I was not becoming to be to the part of the government, because into the government job I was to learn many, just to learn, and after the time I will get a salary of minimum salary, and the depression level that has to be come from was very much high. So that I want do not know want the depression levels as much as high, but I wanted to showcase myself as a digital eyes, so that this will helping me as a YouTube channel to expressing my thoughts and expression in field of the camera, so that any person who will expressing or who will want to share my thoughts, or getting my information, and what type of information that he get, and how could they motivated themselves, and about myself, that if my words get helping them to get relief from the depression, so that this will be the very much happiest for myself. In current situation I have also very much depressed in my past of the years, that I was not able to earn money, I was not able to do any of the thing, I was very much poor person, and lots of vagara thinking in my mind. But after the current time I have said that I have thought that I was not a single person who was becoming to be very poor. Many more of the people, or many more person who was very much poor in his life, but they was happy, and they becoming to be struggling themselves or struggling their life to becoming to be a very much rich person, or to fulfilling his dream. And so that I have thought that just to struggle with yourself was a very much good and good affordable thing. So that my thing is that I think that I have to do much more effort from myself, and for being a consistent, I was not a consistent person from past of the time. I make a YouTube channel that was known to be Devendra Mato, and I was not succeed into that, because to for open the channel for the motivation, and lots of effort to this channel I have to make the videos, and lots of effort, and after the effort I was not wanted to be so much consistent. So that I have initially stated that why I could not to becoming to be at the consistent. So that into the consistency I thought that why could not speak in front of the camera to fluent my English conversation, or how to deal in the confidence level, how to increase into the confidence level, or how to research anything, and every many more thing or editing. So that this will be helping many more people, or many more with my side, or with myself also. So that this will be the very much important thing. And being a, for example, I was not being to be becoming to be a very much person who was read write lots of the thing, or as you can see that I was not becoming to be the person who was lots of learning, or lots of taking good marks into the 10th or 12th. I was belonging to the very average person, who I was as I can say that I was not learning any single ABCD until class 6, because I was just ignoring everything, and just to move here and there, and I was just learning from the class 7. So that this was very much important for our life, that whenever you start doesn't matter, but the start or the consistency will matter for your life. So that the I started the initial step and making myself to be very much consistent. From the past of the videos, I was not able to become to be a consistent person, because I was not wake up in the regular in the morning, or wake up in the morning, but I could not get the hotspot for uploading the video. So that this will be having very much difficult for to the uploading. Now from the current time, I want to express my thought or express my videos regularly on into the field of video. So that while going to the workout session in the morning, I will upload the videos and helping the people how to becoming to be a self motivated and self independent in front of the money dependency and everything, to becoming to be a great mindset. Thank you for today's video. I am Devendra Mato, helping you to becoming to be a fluent in English, and lots of the thing that you were depressed or undepressed, and any of the thing that you will be need to query about myself or yourself, that any of the problem, just comment below the comment box, and I will try to helping to reply or get a call to yourself and becoming to be a stress free for yourself. And thanking you for to watching this video till now, and very much loveful to you and grateful to you, and have a great day and great times to spend with you, and thank you.